Hi, my name is Alyssa Seidel, and I'm here to demonstrate my technique for using ink. I'm a newbie at using ink, so please bear with me. The materials I have here are water, I have a mixing palette, I have an eyedropper, a variety of brushes, and of course, my ink. Okay, to get started, I'm going to pop open the top here, and I'm put an equal amount of ink in each little pocket. Don't want to put too much because it only takes a little to make a big difference. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my eyedropper just to add just a little bit of water in the little tip of it. I'm going to practice off to the side. Okay, so that's what it'll do. And put one in there, and we'll put a double dose in this one. I can always add more later, so I might just do that, but I gotta first mix it in. Now this was not diluted enough, so I'm going to put a little bit more water in this dropper. Make it a lighter color. As it's drying, you can start seeing how this ink that had no water in it made such dark marks, whereas the one that was diluted with much water ended up becoming more gray tint. For a thin brush stroke, you use a small brush and you dip just the tip of the brush into the ink. For a thick ink stroke like these, you use a fuller brush and you fill the brush even more with ink. As it's drying, you saw that I shaded it in right here. You can do that if the ink is not dry yet. You can go back in with just plain water and fill it in a little bit. See how that wasn't dry yet? Whenever I brushed up like that, it reactivated it. It's a way to create shading.